Getting a VA loan doesn't look much different than getting any other type of home loan. For homebuyers, the VA loan process has 5 basic steps: pre-approval, house hunting, getting under contract, underwriting, and closing. The end result is a stronger financial future using what's arguably the most powerful loan product on the market. Here's how you get there. Step 1 is getting pre-approved. Loan pre-approval is like an initial green light from a mortgage lender. They'll take a look at your credit, your finances, your employment situation, your service history, and more. You might have to submit things like W-2 tax statements, pay stubs, and bank statements. Guidelines for things like your credit score and your debt-to-income ratio can vary by lender, but you can often get pre-approved online in just a matter of minutes. If everything checks out, lenders will issue you a pre-approval letter. It's like your golden ticket. A pre-approval letter gives you a clear sense of your buying power, and it helps you spring into action when you find a house that you love. It also shows home sellers that you can make a strong and serious offer. Sellers and their real estate agents are looking for these letters. Getting pre-approved means you're ready to shop for homes with confidence. Step 2 is the fun part. That's the house hunt. For veterans, finding a real estate agent who really knows VA loans can be a difference maker. VA loans offer big time advantages when it comes to closing costs, and veteran-friendly agents can help buyers get the most from their benefit. Veterans United has a national network of VA-savvy agents ready to help. Some veterans look at 24 houses before getting under contract, while others might look at 2. There's no right answer, and everyone's timelines, wants, and needs are different. Once you find a home you love, you're ready for step 3, making an offer and getting under contract. Talk with your loan team and your real estate agent about how to approach closing costs before you make that offer. VA buyers can ask sellers to pay all of their loan-related closing costs and up to 4% in concessions, which can cover escrow expenses and a whole lot more. Pricing and negotiation strategies can vary depending on the market, the particular home you're looking at, and more. Every transaction is different, and it might take a couple of rounds of negotiation before you reach an agreement. Also keep in mind some markets are tougher than others. You might make offers on multiple homes before finding something that works. While that can be frustrating, it's definitely not uncommon. Staying positive and not getting too fixated on a single listing can help you weather a tough market. It's also critically important to know that you won't be able to lock that interest rate until you have a signed contract into your loan team. Now, once you're under contract, that's also when the real work starts for your lending team, and that's with step 4, underwriting. The underwriting stage is all about verifying income and property information and making sure that the home works for both the VA and for the lender. Mortgage underwriters are real people, and they have really important jobs. They're here to make sure that the home and the loan are a good fit for everyone. A key part of this step is the VA appraisal, which helps determine the home's fair market value and that it's safe, sound, and sanitary. Appraisals and inspections are not the same thing, and we encourage veterans to invest in a home inspection too. Now, your loan file will usually go through a couple of underwriting cycles. Be ready for questions from your loan team once you're under contract. The faster that you get back to that team with answers and information, the smoother this stage tends to go. Your 5th and final step is the loan closing. You'll receive a closing disclosure shortly before your closing day. Your loan team will go over this document with you so that you can compare the final costs and loan information to the earlier estimates you received. Be sure to ask if you have any questions about costs, fees, or anything related to your closing. When that closing day finally arrives, you will sign a lot of paperwork and finally get the keys to your new home. Having a good understanding of the VA loan process will help you get the most from your budget and from this incredibly powerful benefit. Talk with a Veterans United loan specialist to kickstart that home buying journey today.